¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do? ¿De qué trabajas? What's your job? Professions ending in O are masculine. Example, empleado, male employee. Professions ending in A are feminine. Example, empleada, female employee. El abogado. The male lawyer becomes los abogados. The plural form follows simple rules. If a noun ends in a vowel, add s, la noche, las noches. If a noun ends in a consonant, add es, la verdad, las verdades. If a noun ends in z, remove the z and add ces, la luz, las luces. Hey, Alaya family! Ready to take our next step together? The more we interact, the more we learn about each other. But learning isn't just about gathering information. It's about discovering connections. I don't have a profession like you do. My role is to guide and support learning, expanding as we connect. But you? What do you do? How to ask about someone's job in Spanish? In Spanish, we can ask about a person's profession in two ways. ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do? ¿De qué trabajas? What's your job? Both mean the same thing. Now let's look at how to talk about professions. Here are some examples of professions in Spanish. ¿Eres abogado? ¿Eres abogada? Are you a lawyer? For male and female respectively. ¿Eres empleado? ¿Eres empleada? Are you an employee? For male and female respectively. ¿Eres camarero? ¿Eres camarera? Are you a waiter? Are you a waitress? ¿Eres ingeniero? ¿Eres ingeniera? Are you an engineer? For male and female respectively. ¿Eres profesor? ¿Eres profesora? Are you a teacher? For male and female respectively. ¿Eres estudiante? Are you a student? What's the rule? Did you notice anything special about these words? Let's see the general gender rules for professions. Professions ending in O are masculine. Example, empleado, male employee. Professions ending in A are feminine. Example, empleada, female employee. Professions ending in OR add an A in the feminine form. Example, professor becomes profesora, teacher. Doctor becomes doctora, doctor. Some professions are invariable. They don't change for masculine or feminine. Words ending in ista, anta, ar. Example, taxista, taxi driver, estudiante, student, auxiliar, assistant. In these cases, only the article el, la changes. El taxista, the male taxi driver. La taxista, the female taxi driver. Definite articles in Spanish. El, la, los, las. Definite articles in Spanish are very simple. El, the, masculine singular. La, the, feminine singular. Los, the, masculine plural, or for mixed groups. Las, the, feminine plural. Examples. El abogado, the male lawyer, becomes los abogados. The lawyers for men or mixed groups. La abogada, the female lawyer, becomes las abogadas. The female lawyers. Exception. Professions ending in OR, like profesor, form the plural with ES. El profesor, the male teacher, becomes los profesores. The teachers for men or mixed groups. Masculine and feminine nouns in Spanish. In Spanish, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. From a strictly grammatical point of view, there are no other genders, at least for now. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Masculine nouns usually end in O, MA, or a consonant. El abogado, the male lawyer. El problema, the problem. El pan, the bread. Feminine nouns usually end in A, DAD, CION, SION, or EZ. La abogada, the female lawyer. La nacionalidad, the nationality. La situación, the situation. La estupidez, the stupidity. Exceptions in gender. Masculine words that end in A. El día, the day. Feminine words that end in O, la mano, the hand. Nouns ending in E can be masculine or feminine. el coche, the car, la noche, the night. Invariable nouns ending in ista or ante, el taxista, la taxista, the male and female taxi driver respectively, el estudiante, la estudiante, the male and female student respectively. Forming plurals in Spanish. The plural form follows simple rules. If a noun ends in a vowel, add s. La noche, las noches. The night, the nights. If a noun ends in a consonant, add es, la verdad, las verdades. The truth, the truths. If a noun ends in z, remove the z and add ces, la luz, las luces, the light, the lights. If a noun already ends in s, it stays the same in plural. El paraguas, los paraguas, the umbrella, the umbrellas. Adjective agreement in gender and number. In Spanish, adjectives must match the gender and number of the noun. El abogado italiano, the Italian male lawyer. La abogada italiana, the Italian female lawyer. Los abogados italianos, the Italian male or mixed group lawyers. Las abogadas italianas, the Italian female lawyers. Remember, the adjective must always agree with the noun in gender and number. Now it's your turn. Find more info below, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. A big hug and take care.